Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career.
In this video, we will learn about hooks concept in Cypress. Okay, so there are four types of hooks in Cypress. Number one, before. Number two, after. Number three, before each. Number four, after each. So hooks are there to use pre and post step of your test cases. So before function we can use these hooks we can use to execute all the test cases before all the test cases. After execution of a test case, all the test cases. Before each means any of the it block uh, execution. Before that we have to execute before each. Now after each execute after the each it blocks. Okay, let me take the example of that. We will run simple test cases like related to hooks. We'll go to VS Code. We'll create one test case like hooks hooks basic concept dot cy dot js. Okay, here we can write the description. Okay, describe hooks concept. Hooks basic concept. Okay, till here is okay. Inside the describe block we have to use that our like which function we have to use, like we have to use the hooks, so we can use the before. Okay, we can create the before and we can give the some label of that. Okay, like before each, before before block we can mention before block. Okay, and we can keep function, creating function of that. Okay, and here we can print on the logs so we can get to know how it will work. Okay, and we can give before before block before block. Okay, like this way. Fine, so we'll get to know. Okay, before means after before execution should is execute before each. Okay, this is before each, and we have before each block and before each block. Okay, now after each, next block is after each, double each came after each we can mention here also after each, and here also after each. Okay, last one is after block. Okay, so this is like a basic example of that, like how which sequence our hooks are working. So this sequence it should work. So first we have to execute before block, after before each, after each, after. So till here till here this is coming like the pre test case of the steps. So we have to add one it block, our test case steps you can add. Okay, test execution we can mention the test executions sample. Okay, we can give here, and we can mention functions. Okay, here also cy dot log test case one test one. Okay, so now we will run the test case, and now I want to show first we have to execute this one, second one before each, third is the test case step, fourth one each after each, and fifth one after block should be executed. Let's run our test case and we have Cypress open to understand about how hooks are working. Okay, so it to it testing select start it to it testing in Chrome hooks basic concept. Okay, when you are running your test case, immediately running. You can see first one before each, before each block test case running, after block. Okay, so this is like common thing, but when it is like test case are two it blocks are there, and how it will be executing. So that is like main importance. Okay, what will happen? First we have to execute this one. Second one before each. Third one test cases. Fourth one after each. Fifth one again this one before each. Sixth one this and seventh one after block. Why? Before each means before the it block, how many it blocks are there? Before that it should execute. After each means how many it blocks are there, after that it should execute. But before and after block it will do once in the test case. Let's see, I will show you. See, two test cases are there. So in two test cases, first one before block, before each block test case executed after each. But after block is not executed. After block is not executed. See, one, two, three. Fourth block is not executed. But here is executed. Here before block is not executed because second test case is there and after block is executed. This is the difference between the both the if multiple it blocks are there. That is a sample file of that. Now we will take the any example of the test, like example. Let we'll come to the VS coding. So this is like website is there. Okay. So we want to check. This is like main page. So we can take the example of main page like URL of main website page. And suppose you want our test case is there to sign up. So sign up is coming where login. This is login functionality there, and this sign up is this one is sign up is this one, and we come to this page. We'll assessor on this one, coming back to that and going to the main page. We will use the everything. Okay, so main thing is there where to use before each, where to use before block. That is very simple. If your test case is required before each means all the test cases should come to the main page and going to execute from that page. Then is required the before each, and before means like normal is there launching the website, same website you can check and log out the website, log in and log out. But here three steps are there in the test case, whatever I understand. Like before we have to use this one, you can do click here. Okay, coming back. That's it. That is like before. Before each also, if you want to do from first to every time, but before each, where you have to use after login. Here you want to do login, logout, come here, again login, log out here, again login, log out here. So before each we can use, because from here multiple test cases are there. If you are multiple, it block is there, then you use the before each to understand about the our test case scenarios. Okay, let's start this test case. We'll create hook. We'll create the another test case, hook test case, hook test case .cy.js. Okay, we'll take from here only everything. This blockage, no need to remove. Okay, now this is not required. Just a minute. We'll mention hook hook test concept. Okay, before each, before block. Suppose in the before block we will keep this one. This is a URL of that. Okay, so we can mention like we can mention any function name like go go to main page, main page. We'll create one function here. We are doing like little good way, so don't worry. And here we can keep like function go to this go to main page. Okay, cy dot visit. You can keep like good way to. Okay, now before each is okay, right? Now we want to run our test cases. We'll keep here last. Okay, everything which is good for us. Okay, so now this is okay. After that, when we are going to the main page, here in main page. So in main page, what is your understanding? Like home button should be there, like login button should be there. Okay, so if we are going in home page, we will wait for the login button. Okay, what is the login button functionality? This is login button. Click on the right, click on expect. Why I'm creating the function here? Because we will accept like it's launching and waiting for the button is there, then we will click on the next steps. So we'll keep, we are checking this one, and this is a header of that. Okay, this is okay. And what we are doing, this is dot should be dot visible, means it should be visible. Our test case like is this selector should be visible. That is like preconditions. Okay, now we are going to the second step before each block. Okay, so before each block, what we have to do, we have to click on this button, click on this button, and checking on, we can check like this text is there or not, right? Okay, so what we there, ready for, we can mention ready for user login we can mention. Hmm. This is the second function name we kept. Okay, so we are going to in down, we are creating down same function, we will copy paste and we will change the name ready for user login. And second thing, what is there, this is should be required, button should be visible, then only we click, right? Okay, so you can mention here click. Okay, the click is working, and then assertion should be required, right? cy dot contains. Contents means we can use this content. And what is the content of this one? Where is this one is there? Okay, you can take the contents here and you can use the assertions. When you are writing any of the test cases, it should be that assertion should be there. Okay, this is second stage. So ready for user login. So it is user login is here. Okay, now what is our condition? Our test case will be, we have to go to click on the sign up, click on sign up button. Okay, and we have to set this button and title of that. Okay, we want to check. So before each is okay, now it block means test case letter sign up assertion on, we can mention assertion on sign up sign up but sign up page. Okay, we require the assertion on that. So what is the condition? cy dot get, and we require the selector of that particular selector dot click on the buttons. Okay, sign up button, we'll take the selector of sign up button. This is a this sign up button. Okay, okay, good. We'll take, first we are checking the button should be visible. We can use the should command also as well, because it should be visible, then only it will be click on that. And as you know, in Cypress we are able to use the multiple commands in same test cases. So now it's going to the particular page and click on that, and we'll check the title of the test case title. After the title we are asserting, if you are going this page, sign up page, and title we are checking what is the title of that, title title. This is our title. Okay, so your title, and title assertion will be should command should be there. Okay, this is should command, and eq equal, for which equal our this is the equal of that. Okay, another assertion we can use like this one, this text we can assert is sign up and start playing for free. This one we can check. Okay, so cy dot, what we have to use, content we can use for that. Okay, and content should command we have to use, and we can mention b dot visible, it should be visible. Okay, that is our test case. Okay, after each, after which what we do, we accession is done, we can go back to our login functionality. This is login functionality, we'll go and we can check session on this one again. Okay, so login functionality we have or not. Okay, this is there, right? Simple click is there, and we can use same. Okay, ready for user login. Here we can keep directly function is there, ready for user login. Again we go to back, and after block we have to go, after all we have to go to main page, go to main page. We can use that main page. Why we are creating like this way? Because it's not a duplication of our code. See, one code is written, that code we can use multiple times. There is no issue, anything is there. We can use the assertion of this one also. Dot should, assertion is very important. If you are using more assertion, so your test case is more good and will check the quality of the test cases. So we can do like this way. Okay, now let's start run the test case and we'll see hook test case. Okay, go to here, hook test case. Going to the main page. Okay, click on the login buttons, searching on that, go to the sign up buttons. Oh, this is some issue is coming. Okay, selector issue maybe after each. Okay, so this is things are there and it's coming the home page. Okay, so what is there, this is like our block first login, and before each is working, going to the test case also working, we are checking sign up, and after each block is getting issue because selector is not there. We'll see after each, this is after each. Okay, maybe the after each some issue will be there. Okay, this selector issue they are facing for the after each. We'll see after each is correct or not. Sign up of this one, and if we are going again, sorry, see this is not there because of that, it should be this one. Okay, login, we did mistakes. Okay, so no need to use this one, this is a different thing, and here we use after each, this is not correct, we have to use cy dot get, and we have to use, and it should visible because this is the command difference. This is like before that, before that this button is there, we used a wrong function. Should command should be there and it should be visible, without visible. Okay, so now it is okay, and after visible you have to click on particular things, but particular button. Okay, once the click on particular button we can use the same, right? Again you can use the same, that is not a issue. Okay, now we will run the test case again, we'll see if it's working or not. It's going, sign up for free, again navigating to this one, not visible, again is getting fail. Let me check after each should the visible, click. Okay, see this is a class and we did not use the class as a, where is the function, this one. Okay, class we have to use the dot. If you are missing single step, it won't work. Yes. Okay, and this is like containing this one also existing after each. After each means after click on that, this is a sign in for existing account. After each, this is coming, login is there, a session, click on that, and subject to visible, sign in to existing. This I think see if you're coming here. Oh, sorry, this is the actual function of that. This is correct only, right? Okay, now it will work 100%. We'll see. Function also we did mistakes. Okay, see now is working. So everything should be the correct. Okay, this is our test case. So we will show the assertion of that after all. This is checking assertion is there or not, login button is there or not. Here you can check title is checking. Here you can check login button is there or not. Here you can check text is there or not. Everywhere assertion is there. More assertion is there. This is the title of the page we are checking. So lots of things is there. So this is test case related to that hooks concept.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.